To remove the battery cover for the Jetson Bolt Pro, you'll find 7 Phillips screws that you'll need to undo. Once you get the screws out, you pull the cover away, but you'll see that the charger cable is still attached, so you'll want to undo that. Afterwards, you'll dig into your wiring and you'll find this harness that has 4 wires, orange, gray, brown, and black. And this is the one that you'll use for the flasher. So with the flashing unit, I've created a plug and play harness. So this will plug directly into the one that comes off your controller. With the bike off, go ahead and attach it. After that, you'll power on the bike. In this case, my handlebar is folded down, so the button will be down low. And then you'll see that the headlight will flash twice once it's done loading. After the light flashes twice, go ahead and power off the bike again. Unplug the flasher. And you're done. You can reinstall the battery cover. In the case that you powered the bike on, but your headlight didn't flash twice, there's a hole here for a reset button. If you look inside the hole, you'll see a little red button, and you can press that with anything pointy to reset the flasher unit. So in this case, I'll power the bike on. We'll assume that the light didn't flash twice. So what I'll do is I'll use a toothpick here, and I'll press that button inside this cover. So you can hear or feel the click. And once you press it, the unit will reset and you should get the headlight flashing. If that's not the case either, and you still don't see your headlight flashing, the next thing you should do is open this cover up while the bike is still on. After you open the cover, you should see a red light here. If you don't see that red light, there is a possibility that you're not getting power to this unit. If that's the case, go ahead and email me and I'll help you out.